equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin diagnosing the HP 15S-FQ, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and inspect its components. First, power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you can now access the internal components. Start by inspecting the display cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely connected. If it appears loose, reseat it and check if the issue persists. If the connection is secure, the next step is to check the screen itself. You can do this by connecting the laptop to an external monitor. If the external display works fine, the issue likely lies with the laptop screen. However, if the external monitor also shows no display, the problem may be with the motherboard. At this point, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the exact issue without any pressure to proceed with repairs. If you suspect the screen is faulty, you will need to replace it. To do this, carefully remove the screws holding the screen in place. Once removed, gently detach the screen from the hinges and disconnect the display cable. Replace it with a new screen, ensuring all connections are secure before reassembling the laptop. If the motherboard is the culprit, it's advisable to seek professional help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of travel. Before any repair, we always provide a quote, so you know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Once you have completed the necessary repairs or replacements, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the laptop to check if the issue has been resolved. If the laptop still does not display correctly, it may be time to consult with a professional technician. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device checked and repaired. In summary, diagnosing whether the issue is with the screen or the motherboard involves careful inspection and testing. With the right tools and a methodical approach, you can identify the problem and take the necessary steps to resolve it. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.